Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new to Forex, this is the right place for you to be. In this video, I'll be compressing what is Forex in simple basic concepts. I'll be talking about what is Forex, what is traded in Forex, where to trade Forex, when to trade Forex, why you should trade Forex, how you can trade Forex. Let's get ready. What is Forex? In its basic form is the exchange of one currency with another currency, or one country's currency with a different country's currency. For example, let's say I want to travel to the United States and I live in Nigeria, so I'll need the United States dollar. I'll go to a place where I can exchange the Nigerian naira for the US dollar. It could be a bank, it could be a place where people exchange money, or it could be just an individual who is ready to give me dollar in exchange for my naira. Guess what? I just participated in Forex, but that's not the juicy part. Let's assume that I kept $5,000 before I traveled in anticipation that the value of dollar would increase against the naira, and by the time I came back, it did. So this means that I am now richer than when I earlier traveled. So Forex is more than just the exchange of currencies. Is the speculation of currencies, that one will increase in value against another, or one will decrease in value against another. So when I traveled initially, the dollar to the naira was $1 to 700, but when I came back, dollar to naira was $1 750. So I have just increased my net worth to 3,750,000 naira. That's a 250,000 naira increase in just a small space of time. That is Forex trading, the speculation of one currency increasing or decreasing over a period of time against another currency. Who trades Forex and where is Forex traded? Now, using the earlier example of traveling to the US, one thing that many might not realize is that in the process of traveling and looking for someone to exchange their currency with another country's currency, they're actually participating in Forex. Now, Forex could be done in different forms. It could be for international transactions, it could be for traveling, it could be for export, agriculture, crude oil, payment of school fees, and Forex could also be used for speculative reasons, where you hold a currency in anticipation that the value of that currency will increase against another country's currency. Now that is Forex for speculative reasons. And when you're going into Forex for speculative reasons, there are a lot of participants. Now you're playing in a major market, you're actually playing with the big boys.
Hey big boy, hey, how you doing?
Who are the participants in this market? The common participants you might know are banks. You have commercial banks, microfinance bank, and different forms of bank, but you also have the bank of a country, like the Central Bank of Nigeria, Federal Reserve of America. So the country's main bank or government bank is also a participant in Forex. You have institutions, you have institutional firms, you have hedge funds, you have prime brokers, you have prime dealers, you have investors. These are also participants. You have brokerage firms who give you license for individuals to trade. Then you have retail traders. Retail traders are basically individuals who trade by themselves with large or small funds, but cumulatively they are called retail traders. How can you trade Forex? For individuals who want to invest or participate in Forex trading for speculative reasons, like me and you, we don't have license to participate in a major market, so we will need a broker. That is one of the major participants. A broker is a link between you and the major market. For you to participate with other major players or participants in the market, you would need access, and the broker gives you that access into the major market. So what do you need to do? You will need to open an account with a brokerage firm, just like you do with a normal bank. You deposit money into your account under the brokerage firm, and that money is still yours. It's not going anywhere. The only thing is that you're using it for speculative trading. Whichever broker you choose to go with, it depends on your preference, and there are a lot of factors. You need to do proper research to choose the right broker to go with, because you want to be with them for the long term. Now when you choose a broker, the broker is meant to execute any trade position on your behalf. For example, let's say you want to buy the dollar against another currency, maybe yen, and it goes well in your favor. The broker executes the trade for you. When you make money, your accounts increase by the margin that you put for your trade. There are different brokerage firms you can register with, and you can use your local currency to make the deposit. The local currency or even foreign currency, whichever one, will be converted to a neutral currency which you would use for trading. And most times that neutral currency that it is converted to is the US dollar. Once you open an account under a brokerage firm and make a deposit, there are usually minimum deposit requirements for each brokerage firm. A verification process is also required to protect your funds, your identity, and your trading account. While all this is done, a login details will be sent to your email address. This is what you use to have access into the major markets. Many brokerage firms have their own trading platforms. It could be their mobile trading platform, web page, but generally most people use the MT4, which I'll be talking about in my next video. So when can you trade Forex? The Forex market is open 24 hours every day. So from Monday to Friday, the Forex market is always open. Depending on the time zone you fall under, you'll be trading under different trading sections. So each trading session has a different time zone. And the first trading session that is popularly known is the Sydney session, which moves to the Tokyo session, then the London session, and finally the New York session. The best trading time is between the London session and the New York session. This is because of the high volume of transactions between those sessions. Personally, I trade between the pre-New York Open just to the New York Open, a range of 2 to 3 hours of trading time. Why don't you start trading with me? You can join me in my live trading, where I also teach people on psychology and enjoy trading with them as well. Why trade Forex? Simple, because you can make money from anywhere in the world with just the click of a button. Could be your phone, could be your laptop. For me personally, Forex gives me the freedom to trade from anywhere in the world and to spend quality time with my family. For those who are working secularly, it could be a side hustle. It could be something you could do by the side and make another source of income. Whatever it is, there is always room for anyone to trade Forex. So join me in my live trading from Monday to Friday, 11:30 West African time to 1:30 West African time. And check out my next video where I talk about MT4. So if you have any other video or question you would like me to answer, just comment below. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with others who want to learn about Forex.